Greetings from Great Use Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2019 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Vehicles has a LT2 package, really nice. Parking sensors, backup camera. Beautiful condition inside and out. Beautiful wine color. It's like a burgundy, dark burgundy. Really nice condition. Let's go ahead and take a quick look. Front bumper, outstanding condition, looks beautiful. Really in beautiful shape, look at that. Very nice. Take a close look at the headlamps. Beautiful condition. This one does have a little tiny scuff right here. Besides that, looks amazing. Lower lamp looks good. Very nice. Grill's in beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the other one. Also in outstanding shape. Very nice. Lower lamp also in beautiful condition. Quick look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Clean throughout, really in outstanding condition. Very nice. Taking a look at the front fender on the driver's side. Outstanding condition, clean throughout, beautiful shape. Driver door also in beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at this mirror. Very nice condition. Rear door on the driver's side also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice. Quarter panel on the driver's side, outstanding condition, looks super clean. Really in great shape, look at that. Rear hatch, beautiful condition throughout. Really nice shape, look at this. Check out those rear lights, also in beautiful shape. Super clean. Very nice. Rear glass, also in beautiful condition. Really in outstanding shape. Let's take a look at the rear bumper. Also in beautiful shape. Does have parking sensors. Very nice. They beep, and then it has a little display that comes up on the dash. Here's where the camera is. Quarter panel on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice. Rear door on the passenger side looks very nice, super clean. Does have a small little dent here, and another little dent there. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition throughout, very nice. Really outstanding condition. Front fender on the passenger side also in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice. Take a look at the glass. Glass is in beautiful condition. Super clean. Up above the roof, really nice condition throughout. Super clean. Really outstanding shape. Windshield in the front looks amazing. It's brand new, very nice condition. Okay, that's going to conclude our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a little test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in outstanding condition. Look at that. Looks brand new. Very nice shape. Power windows, power mirrors, power rear hatch. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Let's take a look here. Driver's seat in outstanding condition. Very nice. Take a close look there. Really nice condition. Rugs are clean, great shape. Dashboard steering wheel looks brand new. Very nice condition. Okay, we're looking at the passenger side door panel in the front. Door panel is in outstanding condition. Super clean throughout, very nice. Look at the armrest there. Really nice condition. Really in outstanding shape, look at that. Take a look at the passenger seat. Beautiful shape. Super clean. Really great condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel is in outstanding condition. Very nice, look at that. Beautiful shape. Super clean. Really in great condition. Take a look at the rear seat. Really outstanding shape. Very nice. Look at that. Rugs are clean, beautiful condition. Take a look here. It has 2 USB plugs back here, really nice. AC vents for the rear passengers. Let's take a look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape. Super clean throughout. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in outstanding condition. Very clean, looks brand new. Really outstanding condition. Take a look at the rear seats, also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, looks brand new. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this Equinox. Let's go ahead and start this one up. This one has a push button start, which is really nice. Take a look at the remote. Keyless entry, power hatch, very nice. So just got to put the key somewhere in the car, keep it in your purse or your pocket. All you got to do is press the brake. As you press the brake, press the button, starts right up, perfect. Okay, let's take a close look here. I'm going to take a look at the mileage on this one. 29,675 miles. You can see there everything's fully functional, very nice. Okay, let's take a look at some of the features on this one. So we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic lights. Down here you got a control for the rear hatch, which is a nice feature. Cruise control on the steering wheel. It's got Bluetooth. Information center here. When you go through the information center, you can click through it there. It goes through all these different pages. So right now it's showing you the trip computer with the economy, speed, timer, average speed, tire pressure sensors, remaining oil life, range. That's a nice feature there. Trip 2. So let's leave it on range for now. Really nice. Let's go back here again. Then it's got options. You can go down a little bit here. Tire pressure sensors, the traction control, all that good stuff. Go back again. Perfect. So let's just leave it on info for now. Okay, so another feature this has, it has climate control AC, one temperature for the driver, one for the passenger, which is pretty cool right there. So they can have separate zones, or you could sync it all together. It's got heated seats for the driver and passenger in the front. Look at that, really nice. Up above here, it's got a really nice information center. I believe it's a 7-inch screen. You got audio, phone, Wi-Fi settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and OnStar. So in audio, you have all these selections. You've got AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth. Perfect. And then when you go back here to home again, you got to connect your phones. You can pair them up there, really nice. Wi-Fi, your settings for Wi-Fi. Settings for the vehicle. It's got a reminder for the rear seat in case you have a small child or something. You can set that up and remind you. Here it says has collision detection, rear parking sensors, backup camera. Check out the backup camera here. There you go. Very nice. Let's go back again here this way. Home again, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and OnStar. Okay, so let's take a look at one of the features down here. It's got a power plug down there, which is really nice. USB auxiliary plugs there. Automatic transmission. Take a look at this here. This is the all-wheel drive button. This is for the emergency brake. Really nice. Up above here, you got a storage compartment for your glasses. Programmable garage door opener or a gates if you want to set up in your house. OnStar shows you if the passenger airbag is on when somebody's sitting there next to you. Dashboard looks brand new. Look at this thing. Looks amazing. Super, super clean. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Now this steering wheel is wrapped in leather. Really in great shape. I mean, pretty much that's it. I mean, it's Super clean inside, drives great, really in great condition, very good miles. All right, let's stay tuned, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment and the trunk area. But first, we're gonna take it for a little test drive. So stay tuned. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a test drive. Here we go. We have it in gear. Let's take it for a little ride. Feels smooth, it's shifting nice. Drives really nice, feels super smooth. Brakes feel good. Steering was nice and smooth. Really nice drive. Brakes feel good. Really nice feature this one has is backup camera. So we're gonna go ahead and put a reverse here. Perfect. You can see there when you turn the steering wheel, it shows you which way the vehicle is gonna roll. Very nice, look at that. Perfect. Straight back. This one has something really cool, which is the parking sensors in the rear. So when you start getting close to something, they'll show up there and they'll start beeping for you. There you go, see? It shows you you're close on there. And as you get closer, it'll beep more, and then it'll show you there where how close you're getting and on what area you're getting close. That's it. Very nice. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the tires, take a look under the hood. Okay, check out this great feature. It has a power rear door. So as you can see here, I've got the remote. All I gotta do is press this twice, hold it down, hatch opens right up. Really nice. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Cargo area in the back is in beautiful condition, super clean, very nice shape. Down beneath here, it's got a little storage area there. And then it has a lower floor, which that's where you have the spare tire and the jack. Really nice. Does have a couple little scratches here on the plastic piece. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Really great shape. Let's go ahead and close the door. You could do it with the button on the remote, or you could just press the button right up here. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Super clean. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire looks brand new. Look at that. Tire tread looks amazing. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Really outstanding condition. We're taking a look at the rear driver's side tire. Tire's in beautiful condition. Really in outstanding shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice. We're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's brand new. Really in great shape. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Beautiful. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks brand new. Look at the tread on there. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice shape. Well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2019 Chevrolet Equinox LT all-wheel drive with about 29,000 miles. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. Thanks for watching.